Ever wonder how to make your videos sound as good as they look? On your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can use a feature called Zoom In Mic. This lets the microphone match your camera zoom so the sound gets closer as you zoom in. Here's how to enable it. First, open Camera app. Tap the quick control icon. Then tap the settings icon. Scroll down the screen. Tap Advanced Video option. Here, turn on Zoom In Mic. When this option is on, your phone will focus audio capture on the subjects you are zooming into. For example, if you are recording a concert and zooming in on the singer, the mic will push their voice while reducing the surrounding crowd noise. If you don't need this, just turn it off in the same menu. It's that simple. So next time you record, try Zoom In Mic to make your videos more immersive. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.